Punjab is main 5, up main water river. So 5 rivers are.
Munir tells me that Punjab means 5 rivers. To me now, it looks like a big lake where trees and houses grow in. We left Multan and we're going to Kotadu, a village where we're gonna see a food distribution waterfall food program.
Road block.
Road is blocked.
And long.
Floodwaters have submerged about 17 million acres of cropland and killed 200,000 head of livestock.
बाबा जी वो ममहून कोट में पानी आया है सिलाब है सारा मुल्क हमारा जो था
Murid is 29. Him and his wife just managed to save their 3 children. They have lost everything. They have been living here between these 2 roads for the past 2 weeks. We stopped to a WFP food distribution on the way. People here are getting 1 month ration for a family of 7. They get oil, wheat flour, and high energy biscuits. As flood water moves southwards, taking roads and bridges, WFP has received dedicated heavy lifting helicopters, each capable of carrying 4 tons of food. One is just arrived and is delivering Plampidos, a ready-to-use food for infants and young children, designed to prevent malnutrition. I need to get some aerial footage, so I will take a lift back to Multan.